Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Are you having trouble with the voice chat feature in Mobile Legends? Don't worry, follow these simple steps to fix it and get back to smooth communication with your team. First of all, open the Mobile Legends app, then tapping on the settings icon at the top right corner of the screen. Next, scroll down and select the sound section. This is where we will adjust the voice chat settings. Make sure the voice chat feature is enabled by toggling it on, then adjust the sound and microphone volumes to the maximum level to ensure everything works properly. Once you have adjusted the settings, head back to the main menu and select ranked mode. Let's set up your voice chat in the lobby. In the lobby, tap on the speaker icon to toggle it on, then do the same for the microphone icon. This ensures both input and output are activated for voice chat. Now, you are all set. Test the voice chat by speaking into your mic and confirming with your teammates that they can hear you clearly. By following these steps, your voice chat should be up and running in Mobile Legends. Good luck on the battlefield, and thanks for watching.